wasting all the time. Let's save this and fill the tank.
Okay, I'm on it.
We only need 3/4 to finish this run.
Okay, 3/4 it'll be. Okay, we're 3/4 full on water. Glad to see you kept the steam up. Much obliged.
Now we can get underway.
We're all clear. Take it easy on the slack.